students, my name is Parvashar and I am your computer teacher. Hope you are all doing well. Today we are revising our unit number 6, Numbers and Data, my pizza snack bar. And the objectives of our today's lectures are how to enter values into a spreadsheet, how to format values as currency, how to use AutoSum function to add up a column of values, and how to use a formula to calculate the cost per profit, cost per portion, how to calculate profit, and how to rename worksheet. We all see these, we can see that how these things practically done. For this we are using MS Excel. So you have to open MS Excel in your computer. So this is a spreadsheet in front of you. You can see that there is a lot of number of rows and columns. Like these are columns A, B, C, D and rows 1, 2, 3, and the box is known as cell. Like this cell is in column A and row 1, so this cell is called A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3 and so on. So how we enter values in this? You just have to write your bar name, like my pizza snack bar. You can see that our my pizza snack bar is going into column B. So for this we are adjusting the length of the column A, and just click on the column A, and when you see this sign, the plus sign, just double click from the mouse. You can see that the length is automatically adjusted according to the text, and after that you have to select the text, click on this, and text will be bold. After that you have to write the recipe, its ingredients, you have to make the table from your book page number 86, as we make earlier. Write the name of your recipe, like pizza Napoli, and also write all the ingredients like this. So students, this is how we are entering the values in the spreadsheet. You have to write all the values like this, and the second task of our today's lecture is how to format values as currency. So these are the prices of all the ingredients, and we have to format it like as currency. For this I am just selecting all the values like this and go to this sign, click on arrow. You can see that there is a different types of currencies. We just click on English dollar sign, and you can see that all the values are formatted as currency. So this is how we format the values as currency. After that we have to calculate the cost of all the ingredients by sum button. Okay, and for this we just enter the total cost. Okay, select the cell where you want to the total appear. Make sure the cell is in the same column, okay, as your values. Like these are our values, and our sum is also in the same column. Okay, I'm just just select the cell where you want the total to appear. I want the total is appear here, so I select this cell and click on this auto sum button. Sum. You can see that the values are selected automatically and press enter from the keyboard. The sum is calculated automatically. So this is how we are calculated the task of all the values by sum button, but by auto sum button. Next we are calculating the cost per portion. For this we are writing the number of portions and cost per portion. Like there are 8 like you can 8 slices of pizza, so we are writing number of portions 8, and for cost per portion we are what we will do, select the C14, like this is 14 and column C14, type an equal sign like this and click on the total cost. Press divide sign from the keyboard and click on the cell C13, like number of portions, and you can see that the formula of the cell reference is automatically, we just select the cell and the reference is automatically appear in the selected cell, and just just click the enter button from the keyboard. You can see that cost per portion is automatically calculated. So this is how we are calculated the cost per portion. So our next task is to calculate the profit. Okay, for this you all know that the profit is equal to income minus cost. Okay, income minus cost is equal to profit, and for this we are enter the selling price. You can adjust your selling price according to you, like I set my selling price to 1, and format is as currency, and calculate the profit. You are write the profit per portion, select the cell in front of it, type an equal sign. For this you are selecting the selling price, press minus sign from the keyboard and select selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. Just click on your enter button from the keyboard. You can see that profit is calculated automatically. So this is how we are calculated the profit per portion. So students, our next task is to rename our worksheet. How to rename our worksheet? For this you can see that there is showing sheet 1. You have to right click from the mouse and click on rename and write the name according to you, like I am writing pizza and press enter. This is how we are rename our worksheet. Hope you are all understand it very well. You have to practice all the tasks at your home. Okay students. So student, you can see that I am not writing any value when I am calculating the total cost and profit I'm just click on the cells, and the cell reference is automatically appear. So when we are using the cell reference, and after that when we are changing the value, like I'm changing number of portion and press enter, the calculations are automatically changed. We don't require to change again and again. We just because we are using the cell reference, they are changing automatically. So they hope you are all understand it very well. You have to practice it at your home. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.